This is MadDogstrains.com. Finished up one of our kits for a railroad, hobbyist railroader. Basically it comes with all the hardware, electrical components. All you do is supply your own pole, 1 5/8", 6 foot, 8 foot. Comes with the lower base. Basically line up the pole, tap it onto the ground. Just be careful when you're tapping it. Comes with the top cap. Comes with all the hardware, the electrical components, the control box. Basically you're going to mount the box onto a post, 6 or 8 by 2 inch cedar post, and that's the clamps that mount it. Comes with everything you need. Make sure you mount the box down with the electrical connector down. Wireless remote. A button turns the unit on. B button turns the bell on. A button shuts it both back off, or B button shuts the bell off, or the system. Available at MadDogstrains.com. Thank you.